In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add music from Spotify or YouTube to CapCut. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a song onto your device and line it up with your video so it sounds clean and professional. First, you'll need the music saved on your device. That means having an actual audio file, not just a streaming link. You can use a third-party downloader app or website to get the track, or use any other legal source that lets you download music. Always make sure you have the right to use the audio in your project. Royalty-free tracks or music you've created yourself are great options, and common formats like MP3 or WAV work well. Once you can see the file in your device's storage, you're ready to move into CapCut. Open the CapCut app and start a new project. This creates a clean workspace for your edit. Now import the video clip you want to add music to. Tap the New Project button and choose the video from your device's gallery. CapCut will place it on the timeline so you can see and scrub through the footage. With your video in place, tap the Add Music option on the timeline. This opens the audio tools. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Sounds tab. Here, you'll see different ways to bring in audio, but since the file is already on your device, tap the File Manager icon and choose Device. This view lets you browse your local storage, navigate to the folder where you saved the song, then select the music file you downloaded earlier. CapCut will import it into your project. Once it appears, drag the audio down onto the timeline beneath your video. You can move the clip left or right to sync the beat with key moments on screen, and you can trim the ends so the music starts and stops exactly where you want. If your video is shorter than the song, trim the music to match. If it's longer, consider looping a section or choosing the most impactful part of the track. Keep an ear on balance. Music should support your visuals, not overpower them. So aim for a comfortable level that leaves room for dialogue or sound effects. And there you have it. By downloading music to your device and importing it through the Sounds tab in CapCut, you can quickly add the perfect soundtrack to your video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more CapCut tips and tutorials.